3 of exercise 3.2. Now first part number 2 is the larger of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Okay, so we can consider the larger supplementary angle is equals to x and the smaller supplementary angle is equals to y. According to case 1, we know that the sum of two supplementary angle always 180 degree. So we can consider it as x plus y is equals to 180. Okay? Equation number 1. According to case 2, what case 2 saying? Case 2 saying that larger angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. So we are need to take x is equals to y. This one is the larger angle, this one is smaller angle. This angle is 18 degree exceeds by this number. Either we have need to subtract 18 degree from this or making equal, or either add 18 degree in this or making equal. So x is equals to y plus 18. Equation number 2. We get the value of x, y is equals to 18. So we can put the value of x in equation number 1. So we write substitute the value of x in equation 1. It becomes, at the place of x we will write y plus 18 plus y is equals to 180. Okay, so y plus y becomes 2y. 18 is plus, comes in minus. So 180 degree minus 18 degree. 2y is equals to 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 7 minus 1 6 means 162 degree. 2 is in multiplies, comes in divide. So y is equals to 162 divided by 2. It becomes 81 degree. We get the smaller angle 81 degree. Now we need to find the larger angle. So larger angle. So we can substitute or put the value of y in equation second. Equation second is x is equals to y plus 18. Now x is equals to y is 81 plus 81 plus 18 degree. Any problem?
No, sir.
So x is equals to 99 degree. Smaller angle is 81, larger angle is 90 degree. If we subtract 99 minus 81, we get 18 degree. It means that this angle exceeds by this angle by 18 degree. Yani larger angle exceeds from the smaller angle by 18 degree. And stepped. So we'll write larger angle is equals to 99 degree. Smaller angle is equals to 81 degree. These both are supplementary angles, or sum of supplementary angles always 180. 99 plus 1 100. 100 plus 80 180. Hence check. Note down.